The workbook on the screen has 3 sheets. The first sheet contains a budget. The second sheet contains the material cost. And the third sheet contains the labor cost. I need to calculate the total cost of the budget by utilizing the cost of materials and labor calculated in the other 2 sheets. To do so, I create a new window and arrange the 2 windows vertically, like this. Now, from the window on the left, I select the budget sheet. And from the window on the right, I select the materials sheet. Then, on the budget sheet, I select the cell B2 and enter equal. Then, from the materials sheet, I select the cell that contains the total cost of materials. 2 clicks will be required. 1 to select the window and 1 to select the cell. And we can see that the cell reference is entered automatically. This cell reference is composed of the sheet name, which is materials, followed by an exclamation mark, and finally the cell address, which is B6. Now I hit enter. As you can see, I have linked cell B2 in the sheet budget to the total cost of the materials in the sheet materials. Now I will do the same with the labor cost. So, from the window on the right, I select the labor sheet. Then, on the budget sheet, I select the cell B3 and enter equal. Then, I select the cell that contains the total cost of labor. And we can see that the cell reference is composed of the sheet name, which is labor, followed by an exclamation mark, and finally the cell address, which is B5. Now I hit enter. As you can see, I have linked cell B3 in the sheet budget to the total cost of labor in the sheet labor. To get the total budget, I just need to add these 2 values with the sum function, like this. The advantage of linking the totals in the materials and labor sheets to the budget sheet is that any change made in the materials and labor sheets will be automatically transferred to the budget sheet. To illustrate, I will make the cost of the apprentice labor 0. As you can see, the total budget costs gets automatically recalculated.
Hi there! Do you know that Microsoft Excel has become the most valuable tool in every workplace and a core requirement for every job seeker? Do you know that the majority of Excel users don't really know how to use Excel? That's a reality and a big opportunity for you to stand out and get those promotions. At Excel at Work, we are proud to offer the best online Excel training method in the market. We have thought of everything to make your learning experience the fastest and most enjoyable possible, because we know that your time is precious and you need to get results fast. The knowledge acquired will surely lead to a remarkable change in the way your firm starts to see you as an indispensable asset for your organization. This will help you obtain those promotions you've so desired. It doesn't matter if you don't know anything about Excel. Our courses will transform you from a beginner to an Excel guru in no time. To get a feel of our training courses, sign up for our free Excel tutorial and unlock the 3 key concepts of Excel, which are always briefly or inefficiently explained anywhere else. These 3 key concepts are actually the foundation of Excel, and by learning them, your journey with Excel will be a breeze. After signing up, you will be able to watch these videos anywhere, anytime, and from any device. Microsoft Excel has become the most valuable tool in every workplace and a core requirement for every job seeker. Don't waste time and sign up for the free Excel tutorial today. Take a chance and enjoy your journey to a better life. Sign up at www.excelatwork.org.